Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to join a crew in GTA 5 Online. Today I'll be showing you how to join a crew in GTA 5 Online. The first thing you need to do is click the home page, and once you are here, click on socials. Then once you're in socials, click find crew. And as you can see, right here at the find crew, we will be able to search on the crew that we wanted or join the crew that are here. For example, right now I'm gonna join on Hot 97, and as you can see, once I've joined there, I can click make active crew. Once I've clicked make active crew, I'll leave my former crew and then I'll be transported to a character selection. So it will give me an option to change my character. And right here, as you can see, I have an option to change my character. But right now, I'm just gonna choose my own character, Clan Poji. And once I click that, there we go. I'll be returned back to a game session. And let's wait for it because it's taking a little bit long. I'm just gonna fast forward it. And it's still taking long. So yeah, just restart the game, and then when you're at the game, you're in a new crew or in a crew if you haven't joined a crew yet. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.